Hi, I'm Sam. In this video, I'm thrilled to show you how we brought a real substation to life in 3D and how we overlaid data from our AVEVA PI Historian to create a true digital twin. First, we spent one afternoon capturing every angle of the substation. We used a 360-degree camera for panoramic shots, a standard phone camera for close ups, and a drone for those sweeping aerial views. Next, we handed these photo assets to a freelance 3D artist who worked part time for a month and a few days to transform them into detailed, accurate 3D models. Once the models were ready, we spent another month integrating them into a virtual environment built on Unity. We linked it all to our AVEVA PI Historian so we could see critical substation data like transformer temperatures, circuit breaker statuses, and more inside this immersive simulation. The result? A fully interactive digital twin that not only looks authentic but also provides actionable insights to help us keep our power grid running safely and efficiently. Come take a closer look and let's explore how technology meets reality in this cutting edge substation experience. Thank you.